Shovel, Cupid, shovel, Cupid, new Cupid, January 2nd, 2007. Time for a change. Shovel, Cupid, new Cupid, King of Swing Out, baby. January 2nd, 2007.
And I say no. Come on. Say what you doing, trying to do somebody cold. I just let the music come from my soul, so all of my people can stay on the floor. They got a brand new dance. You gotta move your muscles. Brand new dance. It's called a Cupid Shuffle. It don't matter if you're young or you're old. Here we go. We gon' show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, now kick, now kick, now kick. Now walk it by yourself. Now walk it by yourself. Let me see you do. Down, down, do your dance. Come on, down, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid. Down, do your dance. Down, do your dance. Oh yeah, yeah. Come on, down, down, do your dance. Let me see you do the Cupid. Down, do your dance. Do the shuffle, baby. Now walk it by yourself. Now you see what I'm talking about. I represent for the dirty South.